Before beginning your dancer's hair, you'll need to make sure you have the necessary tools. Competition hair is meant to be uniform and cleanly done. You will need to purchase the items on this list if you do not already have them. A spray bottle is used to dampen your dancer's hair before beginning the style. It is optional because you can opt to have your dancer jump in the shower instead. A brush, any brush that you have is fine. A fine-tooth comb, hair binders to match hair color, bobby pins to match hair color, hair pins to match hair color, hairspray, hair gel, and hair nets to match hair color. A quick note on hairpins and bobby pins. They are different and you will need both as they serve different functions. Bobby pins are the closed pins. They are used to secure flyaways and bumps in the hair. Hairpins are the U-shaped pins. They are used to secure the bun. Start by making the hair damp. This makes it easier to work with and will make your finished style look cleaner. Brush through the hair to ensure it does not have any tangles before starting. Next, use your fine-tooth comb to create a middle part. Follow the nose up to the hairline and part it back to about the crown of the head. Next, add a generous amount of hair gel to your hands and work it through the hair. As you can see, I'm lathering it through the hair like shampoo and brushing it through the hair so it's evenly distributed. My recommendation for hair gel is Garnier Fructis Clean Hold because it has a solid hold and smells nice. Once the gel has been worked through the hair sufficiently, begin to brush it into a low ponytail. Now, use your fine-tooth comb to smooth through the hair. Use your brush to detangle the ponytail as well. If your dancer has thick hair, it is a good idea to use a second hair binder to ensure a tight hold. Split the ponytail in half and begin twisting one half of the hair around the ponytail base. When you reach the other half, twist the two together and continue to twist the hair around the ponytail. You want to aim for more of a cinnamon bun shape to your bun rather than a cone. Once all of the hair has been twisted into the bun, take your hairpins, the U-shaped pins, and begin securing it to your dancer's head. The way to properly use hairpins is to stick the pin towards the head and then turn it so it's parallel to the head. At that point, you can push it into the hair to secure it. Don't be concerned if there is hair sticking out of your dancer's bun. That is what a hairnet is for. Place the hairnet around the bun, then cross it in a figure 8, and continue to wrap it around until you're able to hide the excess. Secure it with a hairpin. Now it's time for hairspray. Spray a generous amount all over the hair. You absolutely need both hair gel and hairspray for your dancer's hair. Hairspray at the end prevents flyaways, which can create a halo around your dancer's head on stage. Do not skip either gel or hairspray. This is also a good time to do one more brush through with your fine-tooth comb and add any bobby pins to baby hairs and bumps. And there you have it. Your dancer's hair is ready for a day at competition.